Hello and welcome. In just a few moments, you are going to embark on an amazing adventure. You will be grouped in rows of 5 people. When the gate opens, step into the boat using the handrails for balance and the seat as a step, moving all the way to the opposite side.
When you board the boat,
at the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
you are cleared for entry.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire Deer. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please,
Security team is deployed. They will get here if they
Great. The Indominus rests escape. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control units are on their way. Moving to my blue, now. Selecting multiple targets. We are in full containment phase. Forces are going down.
玩完了侏罗纪啦，那其实还蛮推荐的，虽然大概5到10分钟吧。然后如果你有看电影的话，会更推荐；如果你没看的话也没关系，就是做类似飘飘河，可是它最后的那个有反转，就是最后的那个坡度还蛮大的，还蛮刺激的，推荐。